In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Shopify store by adding a visually appealing slideshow to your website. Slideshows are a fantastic way to showcase products, highlight promotions, or simply create an engaging visual experience for your visitors. So let's dive in and learn how to set this up, step by step. First, we need to navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, go to the home section of your store from the Shopify dashboard. This is your command center where you'll access various settings and configurations to manage your online business. Familiarizing yourself with this area can really help make your workflow more efficient. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to customize your store. Click on the Customize button, which will lead you to the Theme Editing section. This area allows you to personalize the look and feel of your store with different elements and layouts. Customizing your theme is key to making your store stand out. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. Next, within the theme editor, you'll see a panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you can add, remove, or modify sections on your website. Find and click on the Add Section button. This button opens up a list of available sections you can add to your store. The great thing here is that Shopify provides a variety of pre-built sections that you can use to enhance your site without needing extensive web design skills. Now, in the list of sections, search for the Slideshow option and click on it. When you select Slideshow, you're adding an interactive element to your site that can cycle through images, engaging your customers right from the start. A slideshow is not just about aesthetics, it's a strategic feature that can highlight essential aspects of your business. Once the slideshow section is added, click on it again to begin customizing your images and settings. Here, Shopify allows you to upload your images, set display styles, adjust timing, and add text overlays. It's important to select high-quality images that represent your brand well and are relevant to the message you wish to convey on your homepage. Also, think about the text you might want to display over each image. This could be a catchy headline or a call to action. Customizing your slideshow might take some trial and error to get it just right, so don't hesitate to tweak settings and preview changes until you're happy with the results. Remember, the goal is to create a visually appealing and informative component that enhances the user experience and adds value to your site. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a slideshow to your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.